We had a bunch of CGC drywall sitting around, so it's fun to find new things to do with it.
It's always fun to have another little game at the place down here. I think there's an application for drywall for all kinds of board games because it has that nice smooth surface.
So what is this game you're so excited about that I will eventually dominate you at?
Draw out a chessboard, we'll cut out a square, and the way it works, you've got your guys, I've got my guys. You try and flick the other guy off the board table. So if we had 2 inches each is 16 inches, plus a 2-inch border. Tough, man. Essentially, you just draw out an area board. We made ours look like a checkerboard. You throw on your crokinole pieces, and you have to flick off the other guy's crokinole pieces. But if mine goes off or touches the line, then my turn's over and your turn begins. So now it's your turn. Drywall worked really well because it's smooth, but it's not too smooth, so you have to kind of flick it hard enough. You're out.
Dang.
It's more fun than drywalling.
This is putting the dry and drywall.
You're just mad because you keep losing.
All right, well, it's been nice playing with you.
See you later. And now I move up one and you move back one. So we're just putting it on a piece of plywood to make it a little bit more rigid, and we're just gonna put a little piece of trim on it. We've got it hanging on the wall, and it's been played already, so I think it's a successful game. People come down, that's what they wanna do, sit around, chat, and flick things. It's kind of a fun little game.